driving up to the north side of town to do a speaking engagement today, and I was on the transition ramp from I-77 to I-85 in Charlotte. Now that transition ramp is, you're going from a 60 mile an hour freeway to another 60 mile an hour freeway, and it's a nice, gentle, barely curvy 2-lane ramp. No reason not to take that at 55 miles an hour. Okay, you know, maybe 50 if you want to be conservative. But here I get behind, there's a line of cars that are going painfully slow up this transition ramp. So I'm looking around to see, okay, who's the idiot causing the slowdown? I was thinking, oh, it's the big semi. Okay, you know, they tend to slow down and you have to respect the law of lug nuts. So, okay. But then I see around him, it's a Corvette. Really? Do you not know why you buy a Corvette? You buy a Corvette to go fast. Now, I'm not condoning going, you know, excessive speeds on the roads. Do as I say, not as I do. But really, you're gonna be the slowpoke on the transition ramp in a Corvette? The semi had to go into the right lane to go around the Corvette on the transition ramp. When you get passed by a semi, you're going too slow. At that point, why have a Corvette? Just buy a Prius and be done with it, because clearly you don't need a Corvette. And as I passed it, I looked and it was a guy driving. Most Corvettes are kind of guy cars, but let me just say this. Dude, I hereby revoke your man card. If you cannot get your butt up to speed on a transition ramp and a semi has to pass your ass, yeah, man card, gone. This is the Card Chick. Take it easy, folks. I'm out of here.